Hi guys, I'm back. And I was so excited about the outcome of the last painting. I want to do another one. This is a long canvas. It's 10 inch by 20 inch. It's a little different. And I've got it up on two little cups. So the paint will pour down this way and hopefully not off the sides. As you might be able to see, I've still got the wet paintings up to the top of your screen. So hopefully we will not destroy that completely awesome painting. And some of you probably don't like it, but I just am in love with it. And yeah, I don't know, that one's going to be really hard to part with. I may have to put that one up on my own wall. Yeah. Okay, we'll see. Somebody offers me $1 million for it, you guys can have it. $1 million, it's yours. Okay, so let's get on with it. We're just going to pour some white paint around the cup to start with, just so we can get things going. And the palette knife is just there because I need something for the camera to focus on, because it does not like a huge white canvas. Alright, start off by pouring quite a bit of white in there. I said it's probably at least 30 milliliters maybe. I don't know. So we're going to start with some of the dark blue. And again, my colors are just, they are what they are. I can't tell you what they are because some of them are really mixed. And hopefully before too long this will start flowing out. You can see a little tiny blue spot right there. I'm just going to layer all of these probably twice at least. There's the metallic. Let's put a little more metallic in there. A little bit of white. Some more of this dark blue. Yeah, you can see it flowing out from under there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I can definitely see that. Let's do some turquoise. And some yellow. And this pretty peach. I believe this was Tropic Orange from Artist Loft, just so you guys know. Let's put some more of that dark blue in there. Not being careful with this at all, but you can see all the cells coming up. I didn't put silicone in these, but I don't know what's in the white. So like I said, look below. I apologize if I'm telling you I didn't put silicone in, but maybe there's some in the white. I don't know. Look how pretty. Let's go ahead and use the rest of that green in there. And I'm probably not going to have any white negative space left again, just because it looks like it's going off that direction. Let's put it up a little bit. Go ahead and use the rest of this Tropic Orange. And the rest of this yellow. Because that's such a pretty yellow, sunshiny yellow. I have, ooh, that was a big blob. Let's get that out of there. Maybe. Well, I don't know where it went to, so it is in there. Let's use the rest of this metallic cobalt blue. I believe it's cobalt blue. Yes, metallic cobalt blue. Sorry, just wanted to make sure I was telling you guys the right thing. Ooh, look at those cells. Let's move that out of the way. Look at that. A little more blue. A little bit more. My cup is sliding down, but that's okay. No big deal. We'll just make it go back that way. I don't really like what's going on there, but we'll see what it turns out to be. Let's do a little bit more blue, just because we have it, and that's the only color we've got left. Alright, so these are gorgeous down here, but everything's kind of getting smushed. So I think We're going to put some white down here. Just to sort of drag it off of the sides so that the canvas is wet so those don't keep rolling over each other. Drag that up this way, off that direction, so it can catch. So everything's nice and wet and happy. I really want, whoops, stuck my finger in it. That's okay though. You can't really tell.
Which one? Which painting?
Oh no, it's just it's okay. No big deal. Okay, let's take this and go off that way with it now. Let's move these out of the way. Just kind of try and hold the cup so maybe we can get a little bit more interest. Okay, we're just going to take that off because it's all going to come off anyway. I don't like this stringy stuff here, but we'll see what it looks like once it's all. There's a lot of paint up in there in that corner. I don't want to lose all of that paint because we need it to come back down this way, I think. Pour it off really fast. Let's see what we get. Let's see what happens. I don't want to lose all those cool cells up there. Those are too pretty. I'm going to lose some up there in that corner for sure. There we go. Wow, this is just wild. Okay. Now let's bring it back a little bit. I hope you guys can see everything I'm doing. I'm sorry if I'm, I think I'm gonna leave that. So if I pull it if I tilt it that way anymore, this is gonna get too stretched out along here. Make sure we get all the corners covered there. Up here, that one needs a little more blue. And that one is covered. Okay. This one is not covered. Let's cover that up with some blue. Make sure you're using the right colors. Probably better pick it up with a palette knife. I need to wash my hands off real quick. Normally I just wipe them on a wet rag, but they are too saturated with paint. It's going to be a mess. It almost kind of looks like the ocean. Maybe we should have dragged the blue off a little bit more, and it's kind of like the beach through here. I don't know. And this is like the darker. I hope you guys are still in the screen because this is just cool. We're going to be trying this technique again. I'd love to do it on like this massive, giant scale. Okay, let me turn this light off so you guys can see it a little better without the big reflection. And I'll turn it back on so we can do a close-up. I haven't even torched it yet, so maybe I should torch it really quick. Let's see, we did not get a ton of the same white lines, but we are using more paint this time. And the torching has actually brought up some cells through there, so that's kind of cool. Getting a little bit of cell action, which kind of like. And I managed to, I don't want to jinx myself, but I did manage not to touch that other painting over there. Okay, let's get you guys down. Alright, so here we are at the top. Trying to get you as close as possible where it'll stay in focus. Oh, I love that edge right there where that tropic orange and the yellow and that pretty lime tree. I think that green is lime tree from not Artist Loft, Apple Barrel. And there, look at those beautiful cells and webbing, or you know, whatever you guys want to call it. Beautiful. I have to kind of hold this at an angle because look at that area. That's cool. I have to hold this at an angle, otherwise it casts a lovely shadow. All those little white specks are where the air bubbles popped, and you can see the white through there. That's really kind of unavoidable. And you know, people say if you leave your paint overnight, you won't get air bubbles in it, and that does help. It definitely does help. But I don't have the patience. Once I mix the paint, I'm ready to paint. Look at those, so pretty. Oh, I just love those lines through there. Let's see if I can get any closer. Oh, look at those. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I didn't like it where it was kind of like those long stringy things before, but I'm actually really kind of digging it now. They look pretty cool. And look, we got some cells that came up. But look at those lines. It's like jellyfish tentacles. Awesome. Oh, look, we got some cells right there. Okay. Look at that. Pretty, 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 pretty. Okay. I think you guys have seen it all. Alright, again, I'm sorry for the reflection of the light, but the light does help you to see the more genuine color of the paints. If I turn that light off, it turns kind of yellow. So we did get some cells from the torching. Got a lot of little ones through here and some through here. The yellow and the turquoise ones, those, and these little green ones everywhere. We got those from torching. And I think they really add to the piece. It's kind of cool. I don't know what to say about this one. It's just this one and the last one I'm just absolutely in love with. So like I said, for $1 million, you too can have one of these. I'm just kidding, guys. You know, I would love to see my art in your home. So, you know, if you guys are interested in any of the pieces that I've created, just send me an email real quick. All right, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my viewers, everyone who has supported my channel through your emails, your comments, especially through PayPal, donating to my channel. You guys just don't know how much I appreciate you. And, you know, all the hugs I get from some of you, and your stories about, you know, little things you remember from your childhood and stuff like that. I love hearing these stories. It's just, you know, it brings us all closer together. We're all one big happy community. And yeah, so if you'd like to donate to my channel, my PayPal link is below. My website link is below. If you guys are new to my channel and you haven't tried out my website, check it out. It's got lots of pretties on there. If you guys would watch the ads for me, and for every other YouTube artist out there that you really appreciate, and maybe you've learned something from, or you just love to watch their channel, watch the ads for us. We do get a little bit of ad revenue, and it goes a long way. I know, you know, we get like a penny or half a penny or something from each ad that you guys watch. But, you know, if 1,000 of you are watching the ads for me, I'm going to earn a few bucks. So thank you so much for all of that. I love you all, wherever you're on the planet. Hope you're having an awesome afternoon, day, evening, or night. There's your pretty for today. See you later. Bye.